y'all. Wish I could stop saying y'all. Just this quick, simple cook today. We're gonna hang some ribs on the Oklahoma Joe Bronco. Our seasoning today is going to be, we gotta try the magic ribs on ribs. We tried them on short country style ribs, but we're actually gonna try it on some bone-in ribs. I'm also going to complement it with some competition pig shake. Well, my first coat is going to be Daddy Dutch Barbecue's Sweet Heat. And I wish I had my glasses on right now so that I can see exactly how much of this stuff I was going to put on here, because I like heat, but I'm telling you what, you better respect this stuff. We're going to come back with the Daddy Dutch Sweet Heat. And I understand this batch has got more sweet than it does heat. The competition pig shake. It's going to be a quick cook. Bronco's up to temp rather. I'm going to get these seasoned up, let them sweat in a little bit, cut a little bit more grass. And I'll come back when I'm ready to hang these things. A little bit of Uncle Steve's magic rib. Alright, we're going to let that sweat in. And we'll bring you back. Alright, if y'all don't know it, I'm sure a majority of you do, but the ones that don't, this is a trick that I learned from Dead Broke Barbecue, Jeff Reiser. To be safe, you know, I'll come in here and I'll hook one rib, and then I'll go down further, at least into the third bone, and hook it, and then I'll return it into the first hook. So should this thing decide it wants to give in the cooking, it has to give on both hooks. The idea of it is to get two hooks in there. Should one give because the bones give away, because my ribs get that tender, it has a second hook to catch up onto. Alright, we're about to get these on the kettle. We'll bring right back. Alright, let's give them a look at. Alright y'all, I think it's time to get these things off and get them wrapped. When you're hanging ribs like here, you got to keep them away from that fire as much as you can. We're going to go ahead and get these off, get them wrapped, get them hooks off, get these hanging rods off. Put the grate on. We'll bring it back here in a minute. We're temping 170s, almost 180, but a consistent high 170 on both racks. So I'm pretty comfortable with that. I wouldn't mind seeing them a little bit higher than that, but we'll make up for that right here after we wrap. Now I've only got, most of the time it's recommended to use 2 sheets of foil, but this is some pretty nice heavy duty stuff. Just got some butter here, cheater butter. I'm going to spray these ribs down. Come back and dust them with some of that Uncle Steve's magic rib. And down here. These first. All right, we're gonna get these back on the Bronco. We'll bring it right back. All right, y'all. I go saying y'all again. Okay, we got them off the Bronco. We're temping 195, 200. So we went a little bit past what I would like to have seen it, but got a lot of degradation on the back side of the ribs. I'm going to change my flavors up a little bit. I haven't used any of this blues hog in a while, so we're going to go ahead and put some of this blues hog Smoky Mountain on these ribs. All right, I think we are sauced up enough. Throw that in the sink. We'll bring it back. All right, y'all. Let's get this taste test in, because Mama's in there wanting to eat. She's got the deviled eggs. Excellent. I mean, excellent. We'll bring you back. 2 racks of ribs on the Oklahoma Joe Bronco. Rock. Baby back ribs. Went with Uncle Steve's magic rib and more. Uncle Steve's competition pork rub. And Daddy Dutch's sweet heat. And then we glazed the top and let it set with the blues hog Smoky Mountain. Was it out of this world? Thanks for watching. We hope you all come back to watch and pick up some more videos. Give me some more watch time. We need some more watch time to subscribe to Super Barbecue. I'd much appreciate it. I'm Lance, St. Mary's County, Maryland. We'll see you next time. Thank you.